What's up guys, it's Bobby here and welcome to the How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020. How to get more views, more subscribers, and make more money with YouTube, right? So today is tip number 14, B-roll footage, right? But before that, let's preview yesterday's tip. Tip number 13, which is background music. It's important to use background music in your YouTube video because you will then be able to create more emotion, put more emotion in videos, and makes it more fun, right? And it's important to do the royalty-free ones. The one I recommended was from the YouTube playlist, right? YouTube sound. So use B-roll footage. Start off with like text overlay, like this up here, right? So the text overlay will actually emphasize the main points or tips that you'll go over, right? You can actually film your B-roll fairly quickly and then add that to the video. You can also overlay pictures or like thumbnails like this one right here. You could also do video clips or any other videos that will actually make the video more enticing, right? To keep that watch retention. Yeah guys, so if you do want me to go over how to do this, a tutorial, please just comment down below and stay tuned to the next tip, which is tip number 15, optimizing your video. Yep, it's gonna go over how you should spend time on your tags, title, and description. And it'll come out on 11 a.m. tomorrow Eastern time. Stay tuned to the next one. And if you do like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe with the notification bell, and please leave a comment below to see what kind of B footage roll you actually came up with as well. Alright guys, peace out.